advanced Neo 5 and I'm going to introduce you an amazing device for measuring. And this device is connected with our tablet within the PMS, and we are going to measure digitally the product, the garbage. So let me show you. Come closer. We are going to use a digital measuring tape which is able to measure digitally a product. And this is connected by Bluetooth with our system. So in order to measure something, I will click here on the measuring, and on the screen automatically will be listed the dimensions, the tolerances and the client dimensions of this product. So in our case we have width 50 centimeters with a tolerance of plus minus 1%, 1 centimeter, and we have length 50 centimeters with a tolerance of plus minus 1. And using the device we are going to measure and register electronically all the information into the tablet. So I'm going to measure the first one. Please join. Here we have 51 plus 51.2. I will register this, which is already in the tablet. And the next one, it's 50 by 5, 50 by 6. It was registered also there. You see, when a measurement is out of tolerance, as is the first situation, then it becomes red. And if the measurement 50.6 is within the tolerance, it's become green. So the software validates automatically the measurement. And what we need to do is only to save, and that was done already. It is saved in the database. So this is a great tool of registering electronically, using the correct data and comparing with the dimension of the product. I hope you enjoy this.